Hello guys, welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Friday, November the 22nd, 2024. Next week it will be Black Friday, and yeah, we have here three regular puzzles. Two of those I've already solved, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku, so it's time now for the Killer Sudoku. By the way, in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve, not now but in the evening. The headlines for today's newspaper, I've showed you earlier. This man wanted, Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel, wanted by the ICC, the International Criminal Court. He is a criminal, yes, genocide. And if he is in another country, then that country can hold him on, because he's a criminal. Alright, the Killer Sudoku, this will be number 9638. We have here two given numbers. Given number 8 in this triple box of 16, that means that those two boxes together should be an 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. We have given number 5 in this triple box of 14, that means that those two boxes together should be a 9. 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. For Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1-star, 2-stars, 3-stars and 4-star Sudokus in the additional, this one will be a 3-stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have here 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 big squares. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 3 sharing boxes. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2, 3. So it will be difficult. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is 45. Well, this row has 1 sharing box. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. Let me do this. Double 15 is 30. Double 6 is 12. So 12 plus 30 is 42. So 45 minus 42 is a 3. This box will be a 3. In the box of 12, the combination will be 3 plus 9. Okay, can I do this here? Yeah. Double 7 is 14. Plus 15 is 29. 29 plus 10 is 39. So 45 minus 39 is a 6. This box will be a 6. In the box of 7, combination will be 6 plus 1. Alright. My next strategy is to look for boxes with only 1 combination. For example, the box of 3, only 1 combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Yeah, the box of 4, only 1 combination, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. Let me scan. The box of 17, only 1 combination. 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 8, 14, 10. 10, 4, 15. 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. Okay. The box of 4, only 1 combination. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. Okay, now. 9 plus 1, 9 plus, okay. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so last column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 14, otherwise the combination will be 9 plus 5. And look, the 5 is already used in the last column, so I cannot place the 5 in the box of 14. So it should be in the box of 10 here, The combination here in the box of 10 should be 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. One of the missing number in the last row is number 8. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 7. We have 2 boxes of 7, so it should be in the box of 15. Combination 8 and 7. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes at there. 8, 8. So now 3, 2, 3, 4. I need a 5. Let me think. Need a 1 here. Here or there. Need a 1 there. 2 and a 1. We already have a 1 in the third row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. In this big square, we need a 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be in the box of 6 or in the box of 15. Well, I cannot place the 2 in the box of 15, otherwise the combination will be 2 plus 13. 13 is not allowed, so it should be in the box of 6. Combination 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Okay. Now, my next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations. Here we have a box of 15. There are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 8 plus 7 and 9 plus 6. The 9 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 9 and the 6 here, so it should be 8 and 7, 8 and 7. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for the first 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. If I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed, so the 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. In the box of 10, combination will be 6 plus 4. In the box of 9, the combination will be 5 plus 4. Alright. Well, one of the missing number in this big square is number 1. I cannot place the 1 in this triple box of 14, because these two together should be a 9, so then the combination will be 1 plus 8. The 8 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 8 again, so it should be in the box of 7. Combination 1 and a 6, 1 and 6. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7. Let me mark those. Alright, then let me see. 2, 7. Yeah. 8, 8, 8. 1, 2, need a 3. Wow. There are 2 combinations for the box of 14. 8 plus 6 and 9 plus 5. Well, the 8 and 6 is already used in this big square, so it should be 9 and 5. 9 and 5. One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 8, otherwise I need another 4. Double 4 is not allowed, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 and I need a 3. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 and a 6, okay. And I need a 3 here. 3 could be everywhere. 3 and a 4. 3 and 5, yeah. 3, yeah. 8. Here can be 8. Let me think. There are 2 combinations for the box of 14. 9 plus 5. Well, the 9 and the 5 is already used in the last column, so the other combination should be 8 and a 6. 8 and a 6. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so this box can be an 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. 7 and a 2, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and the 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, 2, 4, and the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in one of these 3 boxes in this row, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So one digit left in this big square for number 7. That means in this triple box 21, those two boxes together should be 14. Okay. Suppose. I cannot place the 7 in the box of 7, of course. So this box should be a 4, and that box should be a. Oh no, 2 and a 4. Almost made a mistake. Almost. Yeah. I cannot place the 4 here. I need to write 2 and a 4. If it's a 2, then this should be the. If it's a 2, this should be a 5. If this is 4, this should be a 3. If this is 2, then this should be an 8. If this is a 4, then this should be a 6. Yeah. Oh wait. 4. In this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in this column, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. Cannot place the 4 in the box of 8. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, suppose I place the 4 here, then the combination will be 4 plus 5 in this box of 9. 4 and a 5, well, we have a 5 in the middle row, so it cannot be the 4 here then. So the only place left for 4 should be here. In the box of 7, the combination will be 4 plus 3. So 2 numbers left now, 4 numbers, 2 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there. In the box of 8, so the 4 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. In the box of 10, combination will be 4 plus 6. In the box of 8, the combination will be 2 plus 6 again. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this row. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. If I place the 5 here in the box of 9, then I need a 4. But we already have a 4 here in this big square. So can I place the 5 there? The 5 is supposed to be here. And the 7 goes there. In the box of 9, combination will be 7 plus 2. In this triple box of 21, these 2 boxes together should be 14. So 5 plus 9 is 14 plus 7 is equal to 21. Okay. 8 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. That means in this triple box of 12, those 2 boxes together should be 11. Then. Let me see. 1 and then 9. 3. In this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left and 3 in this big square should be there, and these 2 boxes together should be an 8. So 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 8 is equal to 16. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 1 and the 9 is equal to 10. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes in there. 9 and the 5, we have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 box left now in the first column for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. In the box of 15, combination will be 6 plus 9. There are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 6 and a 9. Well, I've already placed the 6 and the 9 in the first row, so it cannot be 6 and a 9. And the other combination will be 8 and the 7. 8 and the 7, we have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the first row. For numbers 1 is missing. 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 3 and a 1, we have 1 now in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left, the 5 should be here, or there. We have 5 in this one, no 5 there, 5 should be here. In the box of 7, combination will be 5 plus 2. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. In the box of 7, the combination will be 4. Plus 3, in the box of 10, the combination will be 2. Plus 8, 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing 4, and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Mark those two boxes early with a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. There are two combinations for the box of 15. 9 plus 6 and 8 plus 7. Well, the 9 is already used in this row, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 8 and the 7 are left. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be, and the 7 goes there. 1 and a 6. We have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be, and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row. For number 1, the 2 is missing. In this triple box of 13, these two boxes together should be 11 then. 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. 2 numbers left now in the second column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing 4, and the 7. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 5, and the 3 in this triple box of 13, we have a 3, and the 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. 1 box left now in the third row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2, 3, 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 16 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Is this really a 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be 1 star. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in a addition. Also have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, bye bye for now.